Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by adding a helper column that will show alphabet labels for each row. Choose the column immediately left or right of your data so it's obvious. This preserves Excel's native row headers. Once decided, select the top cell where row 1 should become a, and make sure you use row or a reference number to drive the conversion. This lets you apply a single formula and fill down. Do that now so the conversion stays dynamic as rows change. Now you enter a formula that converts a row number into Excel-style alphabetic labels. Paste the provided formula into the helper cell. It uses char, int, and mod, so 1 maps to A, 27 maps to AA, and so on. Once entered, verify the first few outputs read A, B, C. Then double-click the fill handle or drag it down to copy the formula through your data range. This creates a live mapping that updates if you insert or delete. Finish by formatting the helper column. Freeze panes to keep labels visible and optionally hide Excel's numbered row headers so the letters read as true labels. If you want static labels, copy the helper column and paste special as values. Make sure to check very large row numbers. The formula handles up to 3-letter labels, but can get cumbersome beyond 702 rows. If that happens, use a small VBA function to convert numbers to letters more robustly. If output looks wrong, recheck the row. Reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.